Here we go and welcome to the Idea of Technology. My name is Michael and today it's all about unboxing the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition I have right here in my hand. And I just want to make this video as quick and comprehensive as possible so you don't waste any time watching this video and I don't waste any time making this video, so this will be just pretty quick. I also have the GoPro Hero 6 right in my hand, and now you can just make the question why I just go from the GoPro Hero 6 to the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition, and I just want to make this as clear as possible. There are just mainly 3 or 4 features I absolutely hyped for the new GoPro camera, because the first one is hyper smooth image stabilization. So GoPro claimed more like marketing language, gimbal-like stabilization. This sounds just pretty amazing and the footage is pretty good. And I will just see in the complete review in the future if this can keep up with some sort of gimbal-like stabilization. The second feature is also pretty amazing. It's called hyperlapse, so some sort of moving time lapses, pretty cool, also exclusive just for the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition. And the third feature is, I don't know, maybe it's super photos for me or it's the better audio quality built in. So these are also just 2 pretty amazing features. So overall there are 3 or 4 reasons I just want to switch from the GoPro Hero 6 to the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition. But first of all, let's just start right with the unboxing after the intro. So let's get started. This is the same box as always, so nothing special here, but we will just go one time around and let's see if there's something new on the package. So we got the Hero 7 Black. Always marketing is important. Gimbal-like hyper smooth stabilization. On the front, 12 megapixel stills, 4K 60 FPS as always. 33 feet in retarded units or just 10 meters, waterproofness and also live streaming capabilities as mentioned. So what we got in the box, as always, I mentioned this before because if you know the packaging from the GoPro Hero 6 for example, you probably know this. It's nearly always the same. So we got the camera, we get a cage, we get 1 battery, always buy a second battery. Screw, this mounting plate, 2 opportunities to just mount it somewhere or just stick it somewhere with glue, and also just a charging cable, USB Type A to USB Type C, pretty nice. The iPhone, iPad app, and we got micro HDMI. At the end we got 12 megapixel stills, 4K 60F and up to 240 frames per second and full HD, which is just pretty cool. We got waterproofness, we can just use it with our voice. I've never done this, but it's probably a thing, I don't know. So you can use this. Touch capability, always nice. Yeah, the slow-mo is already here explained, so I don't know why they just make it somewhere here. And also we got GPS, HDR, photos with the super photo feature, hyper smooth and live streaming. So these are all the main features I can cover here. So we now rip it open, I would say. We'll just here. I find the idea cool that they make this sort of compartment here made of plastic, but it's just absolutely a waste. So GoPro, please fix this. It's just pretty cool that you can see the camera when you buy it, but everyone knows how this looks like, and it's not that environmental friendly to go for extremely hard plastic on your packaging, but that's none of my business. Here we got it, the GoPro Hero 7 Black. As in comparison, colors are slightly different, but that was just obvious. So size and everything is the same, so all the accessories are also the same. We can just pop this open here this way, and also got some toilet paper. Oh, we got some cool stickers here and some important safety instructions. Okay, I will not read through this. We will also get these cohesive 3M stickers, so this is curved slightly, so you can just pop it on your helmet or something. We got the battery, pretty important, don't lose it, another battery is pretty expensive. And we got the charging cable, USB 3.0, so USB type A to USB type C. Pretty easy. Another flat cohesive to attach it to maybe this table if I want. So I could just put my GoPro here. So that's it. And on the top we got the GoPro itself. So we got it. This is the complete packaging and the complete unboxing of all the GoPro accessories you will find in there. Not a lot, it's barely enough that you can just do everything that you want with it. I love this sound, perfect. As you know that you're here one of the cool guys with the black edition, you got just already printed on the outside, black 7. That's the whole camera, and in comparison it has slightly changed. Okay, this is probably the complete unboxing experience of the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I just wanted to show you everything. I hope you just learned a little bit and you know what you will find in the packaging and when you buy your own GoPro Hero 7 Black. I will also just put a link down in the video description to Amazon, and you can just buy it there if you want and to support this channel here. And otherwise, I'm now finished. And that's it. So if you disliked this video, you know what to do. But if you liked it, hit like down there, get subscribed and enable the notifications with the bell icon so you won't miss any future video of the idea of technology. And I just want to say thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.